رجلين يعني ما أقدر أمشي. بقت بس إبرة واحدة وحاطين الدم.
13-year-old Fatima has leukemia.
يعني صار العلاج الكيميائي مو كافي بالنسبة لها، تحتاج إلى عملية تبديل نخاع عظم. شو بيك؟ ما يقدر. والله شبعت. زين قاعد تستجيبين وكل زين قاعدين زوجي. ما زوج.
هاي شعلات النار. نقدر نشوفها من مزرعتنا. يطلع منهم دخان.
Fatima lives in an area of southern Iraq surrounded by gas flaring. Flaring releases benzene, a chemical classed as a carcinogen. There is no data published about air pollution from gas flares by oil companies or the Iraqi government. But a leaked Iraqi government report states that pollution has led to a 20% rise in cancer.
هاي حتى نفحص نسبة الملوثات مال النفط اللي موجودة بجسمك.
BBC News Arabic set out to monitor the levels of dangerous chemicals in the areas near gas flaring, with help from a local scientist and advice from global experts.
انتم تشمون غازات هنا في هاي المنطقة؟
دايرة علينا كل هاي نفط. بس انت قاعد تشوف بعينك شوف هاي الجو شوف. واحد يحترق شوف ابنه قدامه مريض مثل واحد مشتعل بنار وما يقدر يطفيه.
احنا هم محتاجين ناخذ كم عينة.
Professor Shukri took urine samples from 52 children living within 10 kilometers of gas flaring.
هيك تقريبا نص. اوكي وتعال جيب لي.
ولدي شوية ولدي حبيبي.
He also took air samples near 5 different oil fields in southern Iraq. It's the first time pollution data from these areas and communities will be made public. Major companies such as BP and Italy's Eni are heavily involved in Iraq's oil industry. The study indicated high benzene levels in the air above national legal limits in 4 places, including Rumaila oil field, where BP is the lead contractor. The World Health Organization says there is no safe level of benzene. The urine results indicated high levels of cancer-linked chemicals in 70% of the children tested.
بالنسبة تلوث الهواء احنا كنا نقصد انه نكشف مركب البنزين اللي موجود بالهواء. صراحة كانت النسبة مرتفعة.
هي معلومة. وهاي مريضة مدة نوديها مرة بطنها مدري شنو. كل واحد يعرف هاي الشغلات يعرفها. الدخان وهاي النفط هاي مضر، بس الحل شنو؟ نريد الحل.
The government and oil companies in Iraq have committed to end flaring by 2030. But in Iraq, flaring has increased 40% over the past 10 years. The government questions links between gas flaring and cancer.
2017 شركة نفط الجنوب آنذاك كلفت دائرة صحة البصرة حول إعطاء تقرير عن أسباب ازدياد أمراض السرطان في بعض المناطق في البصرة. التقرير كان نتاجه لا علاقة للاستثمارات النفطية في زيادة نسب السرطان لدى المواطنين في محافظة البصرة.
Despite repeated requests, the oil ministry refused to share this report. Iraqi law says oil companies should pay compensation if their pollution exceeds national limits. But officials are banned from speaking about the problem, according to a secret memo seen by the BBC. BP told the BBC, "We are extremely concerned by the issues raised by the BBC and will work with our partners on any necessary interventions. Management of gas produced alongside the oil is a significant challenge and progress has been made. We know there is much still to do." Eni told the BBC, "We are not obligated to report flaring from non-operated fields. We don't contractually have control over strategy decisions or responsibility for flaring or flaring reduction in the Zubair oil field." Fatima lost her life to leukemia.
يجون يقولوا لها شنو تردين ذول المساعدين؟ كل ما أريد بس أطيب، كل شيء ما أريد.
People living near the oil fields are still exposed to pollution, which may put them at a higher risk of cancer and other diseases.